Batanya, what happened to my sister?
Batanya,
ndikubvunza chii chaitika kuna Lily? What happened to my sister?
Tiripo mali. I don't know.
What? Lily's pregnant.
Oh, went out.
Good talk.
Mafane, meka ngaro?
Patopla. Boys. Andi ruba hapo.
Make pina mama.
Edo jambanya.
Tunobera mushi.
Make pina nedzibe boys.
Sana tondona. Mike. Yo Mike. Mike.
Geti. Kwa nage rumu chinoka dzoda.
Chiko ne mimi moko mune maswana. Ha? Famba mchimiti saka neyo vanhu mimi. Morambe kuta responsible. Indo mishonge muri wana wa Satani mimi.
Geti utaura nezvichezvo.
Wo, watokanganwa manje nasi ndinokuchikora chikora. Toshiya kuti Lili akaona chipa uri wewe.
Lili. Andabobvira ndarara na Lili.
Ha, unonyepewo.
Geti, ndichiri jaya ndambotsotsonya musikana apa ndiri panapa.
Ha, you. Jaya? Jaya chero?
Jaya Geti.
Ha, kunyepewo.
Kutokuudza namwari wangu desa. Sandamborare nomusikana.
Saka usinobatsirwa ere kuti usaite Jaya.
Geti wakuti chifuti.
Ha, ndokubatsira. Sorry, ndandisikumboziva kuti saka ngotipende kamba. Ndisikumboziva kuti ipe.
Geti.
Chimbonisiya. Sorry guys. Dzungu futhi.
I'm talking about Shine.
Anamboti nombondi ya Mike.
Saka ndiyani Babatanya? Babatanya, don't tell me you did that. Babatanya, don't tell me you slept with my sister in my absence. Babatanya, ndati usandudze twakasara uchirara na Lily ndisipo.
This was unplanned, I tell you.
What was unplanned?
No,
it was planned. Kwese kunetsime kwaita neni Babatanya uchinetsana neni kuti ndibve panapa pa. You wanted to usare panapa uchirara nesisa yangu.
You were gone, remember?
It's written all over Babatanya. Zvakanyorwa pauri pesa apa Babatanya.
Don't you put the blame on me. You were
gone. It's on you Babatanya.
You were gone. You were never here.
I was gone because of you.
Because of me?
Yes.
You didn't say never. What did you want me to do?
This was all your plan, Babatanya. You took advantage. Your miscarriage yangu. Kutusana chirane sister yangu.
You didn't even call. You were supposed to call. You were supposed to go and get this all to the pub.
Were you communicating? Things have to be reciprocal. Were you even calling? Were you texting?
Of course I was texting. I phoned the mama. You left home some days ago.
I had my own errands.
You had your own reasons to change up my boyfriend's ago.
Babatanya, you know what? You can have my sister. You can have the babies. No. You can have everything. Nini, I'm done. Done. No, not yet.
Yo, Lila is for the argument. Who's it for your Vanessa? Vanessa, Lily,
Keep
it
out.
has nothing to do with this.
Lily, after all I've done for you, yeah? After all that I've done for you, this was the reason why I'm back kumusha. Auntie, I'm not expecting anything from you. Not even your sorry. Wanzo. Sara chichengeta vana zvongo chita nemurume chitora. Inini I'm done. I'm done. Because of you. I've had enough.
My turn. My turn.
Save your words.
I'm not gonna save them. I'm going to say them out loud.
What do you want to say?
I'm in this situation because, yes, it's because of Babatang and me, but don't blame my way opinion.
Why?
Where had you gone all this while?
I was at home.
You at home doing
I
what?
was taking a break.
You
It
left
was
me
your
with your
idea.
You left me with...
Hey.
It was my idea.
She's my sister.
I know, but that's
You told me to take a break. You told me to take
This is
a
what you
break.
came here for.
Vanessa.
You told me my home was
Vanessa.
safe. You told me my marriage was safe.
Vanessa.
Kuti uya unitorera murume. That was all your intention.
Yes. She's not blaming me.
I'm not blaming you. I'm not blaming
You
you.
wrecked your own home, and now you're putting the
No,
blame
it's
on me.
okay. That's why I'm saying, Kuti, it's now yours. You can have it.
My child.
Keep it, Lily.
She's
You can
pregnant.
have
Mama,
So what?
please,
So
Mama,
what?
please.
It's not been for crying out loud. I'm not crippled. It's yours, not mine. That's why I'm saying, Kuti, you can have it.
Stay out of this, Mashunga. It's too late. If you didn't want me to be pregnant, why did you make me pregnant? She can live, I can live as well. Fuck it, man. I'm sick and tired of both of you.
Lily, is the baby okay?
Wow, wait.
Come on, ngakutaurira.
Lily. 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 Banguru, Lily aripi? Banguru, Lily aripi? Banguru, but why Banguru msinondudza kuti Lily ane nhumbu? Why Banguru? Inhumbu yani Banguru? Ndeyani? Ndimaiswera na Lily time mizhinji Banguru. Inhumbu yani ndudze? Ndayekutorese mukomo wangu, but why msinondudza? Why Banguru? Ndayekutrustai, why? Oh, Banguru msadara. Banguru msadara. Why? Abacha biro wemere ipapo. Ndati nhumbu ndiyani shamwari? Ndudze mudzi wenhumbu ndiyani? Why unondudza? Why? Ndowetora time mizhinji mujara na Lily pamba apa. Nhumbu ndiyani? Nasi ndokukukwanja. Ndati ndudze kuti nhumbu ndiyani. Ndudze. Watinzwa? Ndokukwadza mujara, ndokudza. Ndokudza mujara. Ndokuraya.
Tanya tamboka. Anochka. Vide. Ten. Nasidi. Mama Lily wakumboyinatwa. Cool. Sarana didn't know what you be kidai.
achikutoisenzai upengedze kuchikolandika ndinongwa munendiswa kwako kwandika mamalelo atadzoka ndisi andikatani asi pamwe pandichadzoka mama pamwe anendawe noda mama pandichadzoka ndakugira maswiti akawanda andika
Mudhara ndokuuraiwa wazvinzwa. Unodhisefa kufa wazvinzwa Mudhara. Uchandiudza zvako kuti nhumbu ndeyani, uchandiudza. Ndokudza. Uchandiudza kwauinga. Uchandiudza.
What you did was selfish. You were only concerned about your health and your safety, but you were never concerned about the health and the safety of the unborn child. Please, substitute food.
Stop lecturing me about selfishness. We both were selfish. Anyway, I'm leaving.
Please, Usai, and I can make things right. Kovana.
Tell them I love them.
You have been my responsibility ever since you were young. I can let you go. I can make it right. Just give me time.
Bamkuru, you can't fix anything. It's too late. Manso Bamkuru, I have decided I want to live. Nothing can change my mind. At least the least you could do is to support me in what I want. What are you going to tell my parents? Me living this place, I'm protecting you, I'm protecting me, and I'm protecting the baby. At least in the end. Plus, besides, Panapa and Shadow Gar.
This has been your house.
Uncle, I know that's...
Daddy, move to me.
This is Jimmy.
We put it in the.
Thank you.